Good morning everyone and welcome to Florida Day 2. So we are currently getting ready for the day. So I have showered, Alistair is currently in the shower. We have Mickey Classic cartoons on in the background. The weather is apparently not looking so favourable, so it's clouded. There you go, clouded over at the moment, and it's forecasting rain, which puts a slight dampener on our plan today, because our intention was to go to Springs, we'd have a bit of breakfast, then we would head over to Blizzard Beach, play golf, giving it a chance to warm up, and then we would go into Blizzard Beach. We're switching it around a little bit, so we're gonna head straight to Blizzard Beach, I think, and then go to Springs maybe later on, because we're not gonna go into a park today. It is looking busy and the weather is looking a bit iffy, so we're gonna avoid the parks today. There is, I think, after dark at Magic Kingdom and extended evening hours for deluxe resort guests at Epcot, and in the past when we had that last year, that meant all the parks were busy because MK was busy with the after hours people getting in early, the deluxe people were busy at Epcot, and then everybody else who wasn't part of that was at Hollywood Studios because Animal Kingdom closes at like 6. So yeah, we're not parking it today, but that's fine because there are a certain number of days that 7 days that we can't use Disney park tickets whilst we're here, so that's all good. I can't function without tea. If you followed our vlogs, you more than know this. So we have one of these little pod coffee machines. I don't like coffee in the room, but I've made tea with it, and it's actually not too bad. I thought it might taste of coffee because sometimes when you're using like the coffee pod machines, they taste of coffee, but I took out this little filter tray before I did it because that would be where the coffee sits, and so the water just came straight through and it doesn't taste of coffee, so I think that's a win. And then I think I'm going to try one of these bad boys, which we got yesterday, so when we went shopping. I'm very excited by them. So they're a small cereal bar. Not really the healthiest of breakfast, but when in America. So yeah, might have one of them. And then because I was like showing you that, I thought I'd show you some of the other goodies that we got food wise. So Alistair loves the American version of Pop-Tarts, the strawberry ones. Apparently they taste very different to the UK ones. And then I got goldfish, which I got hooked on last year when we came over. Took some home. Oh, they were really good, so I bought them up. But look how cute these are. This is 100 edition. You get like Woody and Minnie and Donald. It's very cute. They're on the back. Sold on the packaging alone, which then meant that I bought more, but I went princess. Oh, they're cute again. And then on the back it said that, which I thought was really cute. Celebrate the heroes that inspire courage and kindness around the world. Sold on the packaging. They also had 2 Star Wars ones, a Mandalorian and I don't know Star Wars that well, something like that, and there's one other. I can't remember, they were cool. So yeah, we have lots of good American snacks to enjoy too, but I'm going to possibly enjoy a small cereal bar with my cup of tea. And then we'll keep you posted on where we end up, because the chances are, I've said all of this, and then we're going to go and do something completely different, because it's us, and that's what we do.
And we're at Blizzard Beach.
Woohoo! We came to see Buttons. We're like one of
10 people. It hasn't actually opened yet though.
We again, so the clock in the car is wrong.
By 20 minutes it appears.
But yeah, like it's not even like an hour, it's stupid time. So we got here and we were like, oh yeah, and then there's this family sat in the car next to us like, why are they not going in? And then we're like, it's not open. So we're in, but we can't go anywhere really. We're sort of like in this holding area with like 10 other people.
We did get our towels.
We did, which you can pick up here if you are staying at a Disney resort. I've never believed it until today. And we'll just take a moment. I know we're at water park anyway. I'm in shorts. Alistair's in trousers.
You'll see us complaining later that it's cold.
I have brought trousers with me. I was on it. Anyway, I think the lazy river is calling our names.
Yes.
Oh, you might be able to see this. Oh, did you hear her scream? Woo! I've never been here for the opening, have you? That was a first. I didn't know they did that. We should have nominated Alistair. I said to him, was he going to do it? And he was like, no. And there's no way I'm doing it. So we're lazy rivering people.
Yeah.
That's where we're headed. So we've been enjoying it on Blizzard Beach. Look at the view from up here. We're like on the way to the observation deck near Summit Plummet, which I'm not going down. Neither's Alistair. We've been on all the rides multiple times. There's literally no queues. However, they're broken today, or down for refurb. I don't know, but they're not open, so that's sad. But we've never really come to the observation deck, and there's quite a nice view. So we thought we'd come. We've just come up on the chairlift, and we're gonna go on Team Boat Springs, which is the family raft ride. So that's next on the list. Yeah, we just thought we would have a wander over here because you can see that's Tower of Terror. It's a really good view. Let's go look. You can see Swan and Dolphin, Grandisino Tower, the chairlift, Alistair. So we came to Disney Springs because it's raining, although it's kind of stopped.
For now.
But it was throwing it down when we were, well, when you drove in. But look what we've just found. We're in the Christmas shop. Oh, you need to see his face. It's so cute. It's Dak. And he's like a pillow. And there's Sally. I feel like Sally, I'll give Sally's. There's Sally. Got quite a lot of Haunted Mansion fashion. There's quite nice t-shirts over there. They've got like a whole like range. Haunted Mansion. I'm not a fan of the bride though. I do really like this print. That's cute. Ooh, and there's like a whole thing. What is it? What is it? It's the book of the Nightmare Before Christmas.
That's 13 days.
13 days of Christmas. Let's look around. I like that one. It glows in the dark. Glows in the dark. Have you got anything on the back? Ah, that's cute. I like this as well. I have a t-shirt similar to this, but it says Jack and Sally on it. Oh, the bottle's quite cute. Or is it just Sally? Oh, it is. They should have done Jack on the back. I'm not a fan of the green t-shirt. And I'm not a fan of this bag. It's a bit weird. Welcome to Blaze Pizza! Alistair has ordered a Caesar salad, which I'm quite excited about. Ooh, spin. Yeah, oh, wrong way. Keep going, keep going. Blaze Pizza. And because you could actually sort of customise it, you didn't have to have the dressing, and I don't like dressing, so I'm very excited that we can maybe do that next time. So you got a half pizza?
Yes.
Built your own?
No. I can't remember what it's called.
But it was like a set thing.
Yeah.
And then the Caesar salad, and I went big and got a massive pizza, which we'll show you when it arrives. We've lost track of the day and where we've been. We had Blaze Pizza, that was very nice, but we also bought this massive Mickey cookie, which we looked at the Magic Kingdom, and I want to say it's called Big Top Treats. Could be wrong, but it's like the Dumbo area in Storybook Circus. And it's like a massive Mickey cookie. Alistair will magically somehow insert a picture of it. So he's just eaten his half of said cookie. I'm about to eat mine, and we're watching the Indiana Jones film. It's the newest one, something about a dial. Can't remember the title of it. But if you've stuck around this long for this vlog, thank you very much for watching. We mentioned yesterday, these are not our usual Disney content vlogs when we're vlogging on a trip, but we've not had we have 2 weeks worth of Disney passes, so there are certain days where we're not going to be able to go to the parks, although later on we'll be able to replace those with Universal days. But at the minute we've just taken the beginning a little bit slow, but there'll be plenty of magic to come. Our intention is to go into a park tomorrow, but we haven't fully Alistair's just trying to open a cup like colored plastic in the background. Epic fail. Yeah, we are heading to a Disney park tomorrow, so do stay tuned and join us for that, because it's definitely going to be magical. Just fingers crossed that the weather holds a little bit more. So from Huey, Dewey, Louie and me, have a magical day. Thanks for watching. Bye!